Hey, what's going on YouTube? Madline843 back at you with another video. Doing things a little different this time. I'm kind of filming things outside versus my usual spot, so figured I'd change it up just a little bit. About to do a quick review of the Skar 6.5s, the TX65. These are their coaxial speakers. I have a 2008 Hummer H2 that I'm upgrading the sound system in, and I saw some good reviews about Skar Audio, so I figured I'd give them a try. Speakers aren't that expensive, so figure why not try them out. Worst case scenario, just have to replace them with something else. So here's what the packaging looks like. Description of what's inside. You get 100 watts RMS. Sensitivity is 89 decibels. They're rated at 4 ohms. Frequency is 45 to 20 kilohertz for the frequency range. Speakers, they look a bit oversized, and I'll be honest with you guys, I went ahead and opened them and I did an install of them just to make sure they would fit before I even waste my time making a video, and the speakers did not fit. So I'm going to show you what I did have in the vehicle. These are your typical Bose speakers. Typical Bose speakers that comes in the Hummer 6.5s. So I wanted to upgrade, and here's what the Skar looks like. You can look at it. Has the Skar branding just below the tweeter. You can see it. Focus in. Take a look at it. Has some Skar branding there, and on the back it has the Skar branding there. So next I'm going to make a video to kind of let you see what the bass reflex looks like and the sound quality of the tweeter. A little backstory behind the speaker is I think the founder of the company went to one of the universities in Florida and decided he didn't like the way the current market was going with speakers and the way they sound, so he decided to develop his own speaker. So we're going to see what they sound like. I'm going to give you guys a sound test, just so you can hear the highs and so you can hear the bass notes and see and I'll leave the door panel off of the truck so you can see what the bass reflex look like. All right, see you guys in a second. Okay guys, I'm back. I got it installed. Actually I have all of them installed, but I wanted you to see what it looked like mounted in here. Obviously I'm not finished with the sound deadening, but as far as the speaker itself being mounted in, it's done. I'm going to do some more sound deadening along the panels, but just want to give you guys a quick look at it and see what the bass reflex looks like with some music playing. All right, so I'm going to cue some music up. Has some pretty decent highs in it, pretty decent lows, so we'll get an idea of what the speaker sounds like and what the bass reflex looks like. Here we go. Hey, what's up, guys? I'm back. Got everything all buttoned up with the exception of I need to finish trimming up the sound deadening from around the door panel trim. But I want to give you guys a couple of quick sound clips of what the Skar's FX65 sound like fully installed. All right, here we go.
Find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's
Okay, guys, that was just a quick demo of what the speakers sound like installed. I was using non-copyright music just so you guys could get a full listen to what the speakers sound like. Didn't want to blast them all the way because I still have some tuning to do on the amp, but just to give you guys an idea of what they sound like, the clarity, the bass response, and so forth. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you like the content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll be bringing on more content and a follow-up review if I really like the speakers over time or not. So they were a good bargain on Amazon, so I figured I'd give them a try. They had several good reviews on it, some negative, but a lot of good reviews. So I figured for the price, I'd jump on them and see what they sound like installed. So not a bad speaker for the price. Not sure what they'll sound like once I start to push them with the amp, but we'll see. And I'll give you a quick outro to what they sound like. And again, guys, give it a thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.